Good day, Sir Jeremy Balang. So this will be my final project for heat transfer. So first of all, open the application for ANSYS Workbench, and then look for steady state thermal, and then drag, and then look for geometry, right click, and click design model or geometry. And next, click XY plane and click face. So in this case, we can now draw the object. So click sketching, rectangle, click to the center point and drag, estimate, and then dimension. This must be in general. Click and drag, change the dimension. So the given is 1 meter by 1 meter. And then click generate. And next, click extrude, apply, and then since pang 12 ako sa attendance, so it would be 20% and 1.5 times 0.2, we have 0.3 meter, generate. So makakreate na tayo ng first object. So dito natin ilalapat yung next object natin. So we need to click face, click the surface area, and then go back to sketching, click face, draw additional triangle, so just to make sure na pantay, let's double check the dimension. It should be 1 by 1. So change this to 1 and then generate. So we already have the rectangle, and next is gagawin na natin siyang 3D din, and click extrude, apply, add material, add tayo ng frozen material, and then 1.5 minus 0.3 is 1.2. There, generate. Let's double check. Okay. And this should be in a solid also. Just click solid. Okay. And next, gagawin na natin yung temperature and um, temperature and total flux. So go back to the front page of ANSYS, double click model, ayan, so nandiyan na yung model natin. So first thing to do is to click the mesh the object, right click, and then generate mesh. Next is to add the normal or the temperature given. Insert tayo ng temperature. Click this phase. Right. And then given is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, generate. Then sa kabila naman, mag tayo ulit ng temperature. Click this phase. And then 500. Then meron na tayong dalawang temperature. So next thing to do is to add temperature and then total heat flux. So just right click solution, insert thermal, and let's ask input temperature, and then next total heat flux, and then sorry. Okay, so na-generate na yung total heat flux. So let us play. Okay, ayan, total heat flux. So let's just double check the temperature. Temperature is working. Okay, gumagana. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and this will be my final project for heat transfer. Thank you so much.